Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrs. Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to tie the simple 2 minutes gele in two ways. This is the first part. So for a start, I will be using rubber band and my ashoke. First, I'll make plates, fan-like plates by gathering the ashoke folded into two like this. You can see I folded the ashoke 50-50 and then gathered the folded parts like this. Now I'll tie the folded parts with my rubber band. As you see me do, I'll tie it very tight, just like this. And now I'll arrange the fan-like plates. I will spread out the the bottom piece of the ashoke. You can see my fan was bent. I want it to be standing straight like this, facing the front. So I will twist it the way I want it to be standing, like this, and I will tie again with another rubber band, using the rubber band to secure the position of the fan. I will secure it very tight. And now I'll spread again on my head in the left and the right angle. You can see it's now resting well. I just need to adjust it with my hand. As you can see, it's now facing the front, the position I want it to be. Now I will take to the back, I'll take it to the back and I'll cross it, taking the left hand to the right like this, and make sure it's tight. Now I will make a twist on both sides. And now I will take the twisted part across the the fan to the back of the fan like this, and I will tie it up with my rubber band. I will tie it up to secure it, tie it very tight. Now I will just spread out this piece, the tip, just to give it a fine look. And now I'll arrange the fan at the front to how I want it to be, to my desired style. As you can see, I will pin or I will leave it freely, whichever way you want yours to be. So I will just leave my resting like this, and my gele is ready. You can see I am ready for the party. Now for part 2, I will take the straight ashoke, not folded, as a full length. I will take one edge of one end of the ashoke, and make the fan like plate on it, just like this. Using a rubber band, I will secure the fan I made on the ashoke by tying it very tight to make sure it doesn't get loose. And now after doing this, I will spread out the fan properly, and then I will spread out the remaining part of the ashoke, placing it on my head like this. I will arrange the fan and place it on my head to the back. And now I'll make a twist with the remaining piece of the ashoke at the back. it is very tight on my head. And now I'll cross it from the back to the front. I'll take it through the back of the fan at the front. Continue the twist and wrap around the fan like this. Make sure you pull out the fan from the twist. Wrap around the fan the second time, just to make sure it's resting firmly. I'll wrap around the second time and take the twisted part after twisting to the back and secure it by tucking it in the other part, just like this. And now after that, I will spread out the fan at the front. I'll spread it out to my desired style. So now I'll be pinning the fan to the base. I'll pin the left and the right side of the fan to the base. And yes, my gele is ready. So guys, this is me all set and ready to rock my party with my beautiful gele. Oh guys, check out my modeling skills now. I can model. I don't know, I have this talent. Okay, now see me dancing. See me dancing. This girl is giving. This girl is giving, guys. Check it out now. See me now. See the model now. Don't mind me, oh. I'm giving you my modeling skills now. I have talent now. Look at me. So guys, in case you're wondering, I am the makeup artist. I did the makeup. Is it not fine? Okay, the dress, uncle, I did it. Dress by me, makeup by me, gele by me. And guys, I am all in one. All in one, guys. Look at me now. Look at me, guys. I fine, pa. I fine, pa. Who they check am? Who they check am? Look at me now. As a party guest, I fine. As a shrebi, I fine. Oh, one bed, ladies. This is for you. This is for you. Check am. Oh, Wambe, ladies. This girl is for you. Look at me now. Check it. So they check am. I am ready for the party. Guys, you can so rock these simple, beautiful girlies to church, to any occasion. Yes, now. Yes, now. Yes, now. Check out. Please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please help me to share these videos. So share.